You are building a microservices application using Azure Container Apps. The system includes various services, including two microservices, ServiceA and ServiceB, responsible for inventory management. You must ensure these services can publish events to an Azure Event Hub using the Event Hubs SDK. ServiceA requires an ingestion rate of 1,000 events per second, while ServiceB requires 3,000 events per second. The solution must be cost-optimized. Which configuration action should you perform to support these publishing requirements?
Option A. Provision an Event Hub with 4 partitions and direct the output of ServiceA and ServiceB accordingly. Option B. Activate the Azure Event Hub's capture feature for the namespace. Option C. Provision an Event Hub's dedicated cluster with 1 capacity unit and 2 scaling units. Option D. Implement an Azure Schema registry and enforce validation for incoming messages from both services. Option E. Create 4 separate consumer groups and assign them to the services.
This question looks at sizing an Azure Event Hub for specific throughput and cost constraints. You need to understand how Event Hubs handle ingress capacity, specifically how event rates relate to partition limits, and how to scale efficiently without overspending on dedicated infrastructure.
I believe the correct answer is option A. In Azure Event Hubs, each partition can support a maximum of 1,000 events per second or 1 megabyte per second of ingress throughput. To handle a total of 4,000 events per second, coming from 1,000 for Service A and 3,000 for Service B, the Event Hub must be configured with at least 4 partitions to avoid throughput limitations. IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Explain which answer is correct and why. Clear, professional, educational. Options B, C, D, and E are incorrect because they do not address the fundamental throughput constraint of the ingress partitions. Specifically, capture is for archival, dedicated clusters are for high-scale enterprise scenarios and are significantly more expensive, schema registry is for data governance, and consumer groups are used for read-side isolation rather than increasing ingestion capacity.